Did you know that some of the world's best English speakers never studied grammar books for hours? They didn't memorize long vocabulary lists or move abroad to become fluent. Instead, they used a secret method, a method so simple, so natural, that you've probably overlooked it all this time. This method helped a student of mine, Chris from Brazil, go from stuttering during introductions to confidently speaking at international events, all in just 6 months. And today, for the first time ever on this podcast, we're revealing that method, shadowing. Before we dive in, if you missed yesterday's episode, make sure to check it out from the playlist. Now stay with us until the very end of this episode because today's final segment is not only my favorite, it's also where the real transformation begins. Trust me, this might just change your English journey forever. If you're new here, welcome to the English Podcast Show. We're here every day with fluency hacks, exercises, and free PDF downloads to fast-track your English. Go ahead, subscribe, and follow the show, because every day you don't practice with us is a day you stay behind. Segment 1. What is shadowing and why nobody talks about it? Let's get one thing straight. Shadowing is not reading aloud. It's not echoing, and it's definitely not passive listening. Shadowing is a speaking technique where you listen to native English audio, and as you listen, you repeat the words immediately in real time, trying to match the speaker's rhythm, tone, stress, and emotion. You don't wait. You don't pause. You don't guess. You shadow, just like your real shadow follows you step by step. So why doesn't everyone use it? Because it's hard in the beginning. It feels awkward. You trip over words. You can't keep up. But here's the truth. Shadowing is the closest thing to real-life conversation practice, without needing a partner. And when done consistently, it improves. Pronunciation, fluency, listening comprehension, confidence in real conversations. Still unsure how it works? Imagine you're watching a movie. A character says, "I'll get it done by tomorrow." You don't wait. You instantly say, "I'll get it done by tomorrow," matching their speed, emotion, and tone. You're not just repeating words, you're training your brain and tongue together. Segment 2. Why shadowing works better than any textbook.
Emma, this sounds powerful, but what actually makes it so effective?
Great question. Shadowing taps into 3 crucial systems in your language brain all at once. It's like learning to swim by jumping in the water, not by reading a book about swimming. When you shadow a sentence like, "Let me check my schedule," you're not just memorizing it. You're learning the intonation of casual business speech, the stress on the word check, the natural contraction of let me into lemme. This kind of training is impossible through silent reading. In fact, language researchers at Tokyo University found that students who shadowed daily for just 15 minutes improved their speaking speed and clarity 2 times faster than those who only practiced vocabulary and grammar. And let's not forget, IELTS speaking examiners often look for natural rhythm and pronunciation, which shadowing directly improves. Segment 3. How to shadow. Step by step. Beginner to advanced. Now let's break it down. If you're ready to start shadowing, here's a step-by-step method you can follow, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Choose your audio wisely. Select a native English source. It can be a short podcast, 2 to 3 minutes, a YouTube video of a native speaker, a dialogue scene from your favorite series. Pro tip, choose something you enjoy. If it's boring, you won't stick with it. Step 2. Listen first. No speaking. The first time, just listen. Focus on the intonation, the emotion, the pauses and emphasis. Imagine you're studying an actor's voice. Step 3. Shadow line by line. Now play the clip again. This time speak as the speaker speaks. For example, if the speaker says, "Honestly, I wasn't expecting that," you say it at the same time, copying rhythm and emotion. It might feel chaotic at first, but that's the beauty of the process. Over time, you'll build muscle memory for English sounds. Step 4. Record and compare. Record yourself while shadowing. Then play back your voice next to the original. Ask yourself, did I match the speed? Was my tone natural? Did I sound robotic or conversational? This step gives instant feedback, and improvement becomes visible. Segment 4. Shadowing in real-life situations. All right, listeners, this is where the magic happens. You've learned what shadowing is. You know why it works. Now it's time to do it with me. We're going to practice 20 real-life shadowing sentences together. I'll say the sentence once and then I'll say it again slowly, so you can repeat after me. These are practical, natural phrases you can use in daily life, IELTS interviews, casual chats, or professional settings. Scenario 1. Shopping and everyday errands. 1. I'm just browsing, thank you. Repeat. I'm just browsing, thank you. 2. Do you have this in a medium size? Repeat. Do you have this in a medium size? 3. I'd like to return this, please. Repeat. I'd like to return this, please. 4. Could you tell me where the checkout is? Repeat. Could you tell me where the checkout is? 5. That's a bit out of my budget. Repeat. That's a bit out of my budget. Scenario 2. Ordering food and drinks. 6. I'll have a cappuccino with oat milk, please. Repeat. I'll have a cappuccino with oat milk, please. 7. Can I get that to go? Repeat. Can I get that to go? 8. What do you recommend on the menu? Repeat. What do you recommend on the menu? 9. Could I get the bill, please? Repeat. Could I get the bill, please? 10. That was delicious, thank you. Repeat. That was delicious, thank you. Scenario 3. Professional and job interview. English 11. I'm passionate about solving complex problems. Repeat. I'm passionate about solving complex problems. 12. I work well both independently and in a team. Repeat. I work well both independently and in a team. 13. Could you walk me through your daily tasks? Repeat. Could you walk me through your daily tasks? 14. I'm eager to learn and grow with this company. Repeat. I'm eager to learn and grow with this company. 15. I believe I'm a strong fit for this role. Repeat. I believe I'm a strong fit for this role. Scenario 4. Social English and daily conversations. 16. What do you usually do on weekends? Repeat. What do you usually do on weekends? 17. I've been meaning to call you. Repeat. I've been meaning to call you. 18. That sounds like a great idea. Repeat. That sounds like a great idea. 19. I totally get what you mean. Repeat. I totally get what you mean. 20. Let's catch up sometime soon. Repeat. Let's catch up sometime soon. Excellent job. If you followed along and repeated with me, you've just completed your first full shadowing practice. Don't worry if you stumbled. Don't worry if it wasn't perfect. That's how real fluency begins. Not with memorizing, but with mimicking and repeating until it feels natural. Now it's time for our favorite segment, Wordwise with Maria. She's going to explain some of the key vocabulary and phrases we use today. Over to you, Maria. Wordwise with Maria.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Maria, your vocabulary coach here on the English Podcast Show. Let's take a moment to understand some useful words and phrases from today's discussion. These are not only great for your IELTS speaking test, but also in real-life conversations.
First, articulate, adjective, meaning, able to express thoughts clearly and effectively. Example, she's an articulate speaker who communicates with clarity. 2. Monotone, noun, meaning, a flat, unchanging tone of voice. Example, shadowing helps you avoid a monotone that sounds robotic. 3rd, inflection, noun, meaning, the change in pitch or tone of the voice. Example, the speaker's inflection made the story more emotional. 4th, mimic, verb, meaning, to copy the way someone speaks or behaves. Example, Try to mimic how natives pause and emphasize during a sentence. 5. Natural cadence, noun phrase. Meaning: the natural rhythm and pace of spoken language. Example: through shadowing, you'll develop the natural cadence of fluent English. 6. Tongue-tied, idiom. Meaning: unable to speak easily or clearly due to nervousness. Example: I used to get tongue-tied in meetings until I started shadowing every morning. 7. Pick up on, phrasal verb. Meaning: to notice or become aware of something subtle. Example: you'll pick up on small pronunciation patterns as you shadow. 8. On the tip of your tongue, idiom. Meaning: when you know something but can't quite recall it at the moment. Example: shadowing helps move words from the tip of your tongue to your active vocabulary. 9. Stumble over, phrasal verb. Meaning: to make a mistake or hesitate while speaking. Example: in the beginning, you may stumble over long sentences. That's normal. 10th, refine, verb. Meaning: to improve by making small changes. Example: you'll refine your accent and tone through consistent shadowing. And there you have it, your first real shadowing workout. If your mouth feels like it just ran a marathon, congratulations. That's exactly how fluency starts. Let me guess. You stumbled over a few words, laughed at yourself halfway through, and thought, do native speakers really talk this fast? Yup, they do, and so will you. If you keep showing up like you did today, and if no one's told you this today, I'm proud of you, because repeating out loud, messing up, and trying again, that's what separates learners from speakers. Now, before you run off and talk to your mirror again, which, by the way, is a great idea, and hey, send it to that friend who says, my English is okay, but I just can't speak fluently. They need this episode more than they need coffee. And now, drumroll please, because tomorrow we're going next level. Tomorrow's episode is titled 50 Plus Shadowing Practice Sentences to Supercharge Your Speaking. It's basically a gym session for your tongue, brain, and English soul. We're doing 50 plus natural, high-frequency, real-world sentences designed to get your fluency fit and fabulous. So hit that subscribe button like your fluency depends on it, turn on the notification bell, and comment below, I survived my first shadowing session, or shadowing squad, where you at? This is Emma, your English speaking coach, signing off until tomorrow. Speak smart, speak strong, speak shadow style. See you in day 23, champion.